Mozzarella biscuit bites are a delicious and cheesy side dish that pairs really well with spaghetti. Here's a simple recipe to make them. The ingredients you're going to need are marinara sauce, butter, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, fresh parsley, mozzarella, and of course Grains biscuits, pepper, and salt. Our first step is to get our biscuits out. Oh, these were harder to open. There we go. All right. These are the Grands, so they're a little bit bigger. We're going to spread them out on our baking sheet. Make sure you have parchment paper or silicone pad. Spread them out evenly. Because you need a little bit of room to work. So we're going to flatten them with our hand. Now in the original recipe, Mark and I thought there wasn't enough cheese, so I'm going to add more cheese, but you do it how you like it.
More cheese.
More cheese, definitely. They were still good, we just felt it needed more cheese. So you get the idea. We're spreading them out. Okay, so now we're going to add our mozzarella cheese and our Parmesan cheese. So originally it said a tablespoon, but we're going to do a little bit more. I'm doing a big pinch of Parmesan. So then what you're going to do is then pick up the sides and you're going to put it together. Let me move those out of the way. So you want to close them up, sort of pinch them so you don't want anything to come out while it's cooking. Shape them back into a ball, and the seam side's going to go down.
Seems simple enough.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So like that. Okay, and then you just keep going. Maybe take 1.5 and get mozzarella cheese out. The parts of these are closed all the way. So you're losing that cheese. All right, I've got them all filled with the cheese, and I'm going to start with the topping. So I have melted butter. I'm going to use the remaining Parmesan cheese. Because why not? Garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Salt and pepper. All right, gonna mix this up. And I'm gonna start topping. Put it on my biscuit bombs. So spread it all around. Smells good, doesn't it? The oven's ready. It's at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and now we're going to put it in from 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, I think I'll split the time, maybe 13, we'll see. And now we wait. All right, time to get them out. Oh, they look beautiful. Okay. All right, I'm going to take them over to the other counter, and I'm going to put fresh parsley on them. really hot. Well, you know what? I think I will do it. Nope, we'll move it over here. And it just started raining. In case you hear something. Wow, they smell good, don't they? Okay, I'll move that away in just a minute. Let's do the parsley. Well, we got mozzarella biscuit bombs. What do you think?
They look beautiful.
And they smell good. And don't forget the recipe's going to be in the description box, just like all the other recipes. Ready to try one?
Ready to try them.
Okay.
Hope they don't burn my face off.
I know.
Fresh out of the oven.
Do you want a knife maybe to cut it?
No, I'm just gonna go for it.
Okay, I think I'm going for a knife.
Very doughy.
Oh, much better.
You know what would make this perfect?
What?
Some marinara sauce to dip it
Oh,
in.
you're right, I forgot. Okay.
Do you have some?
I do have some.
These are delicious. A little salty though. I'd probably take and get rid of some of the salt in the
Okay.
recipe.
All right.
But the seasoning's nice. Oh my gosh.
Oops. There we go.
Ready? I'm going in. Cover me.
Okay. All right, I'm ready to taste.
Oh my God. Perfection.
I definitely needed the more cheese. Okay, so I'd say probably cut out the salt, and I'll make that change in the recipe.
Wow. This reminds me of South Daytona Beach, that little pizza place
Yeah.
that made the pinwheels. They
That's
had
right, I forgot about
marinara
that place.
dipping sauce.
Well,
Whoa.
we are always in search of good recipes because I want to bring you good food, and that looks so
This is good. Wow. Double dipping is allowed. You know what
Do
this
that
reminds
cheese
me
ball?
of? It reminds me of back when we were dating and you'd make that smoked Gouda
Yeah, we haven't done that one.
and you'd put it in puff pastry. Heat it up in the oven.
Wow. You can see the flaky layers.
Oh my gosh, we have to say goodbye so we can finish.
Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, there's a share button. Share it with your family and friends. And
See you later.
we'll see you next time.
We're diving into these babies. Bye.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Oh my God, delish.
Well, here.
It's so good.
Little parsley.